Upgrade St. Lucia. Upgrade to 100% superfast 4G coverage.
Members of the United Workers' Party say they were left in a state of confusion after comments from the Minister of Education, Dr. Robert Lewis, on the Sir Arthur Lewis tuition fee hike. Dr. Lewis stated that a policy to implement a new tuition payment structure would not be implemented this year.
He is saying that Cabinet has not approved the fee structure. So if that is the case, how is it that Sir Arthur has implemented the new fee structures? Was the fact that he made reference to that when the United Workers' Party was in office, that the government was spending upwards of $15 million a year in supporting Sir Arthur Lewis College, and that he was basically indicating that this number could not continue. That fact, Sir Arthur Lewis was going to have to look for a business model approach moving forward. And so the question we're asking is, has the government in fact cut back on the subsidy to Sir Arthur Lewis College?
SALCC Principal Urban Dola spoke to News Force on Tuesday. He said a reduced government subvention influenced the decision for the $350 fee hike. The National Students' Council, parents and students have all bemoaned the increase, calling it a strain on the purse strings of already struggling families. MP for Castries South East, Guy Joseph, is accusing the government of not working in the best interest of the youth.
Increasing the fees at Sir Arthur is trying to make education, tertiary education, out of the reach of the average young person in St. Lucia. So once again, this Labour Party is bent on creating a class society where now the tertiary education will only be accessible to those who have the means.
Joseph claims he has witnessed the plight of his constituents and many families need help to meet the increased tuition fees. He's imploring the government to step in.
How many young people will be able to afford to pay to go to Sir Arthur Lewis Community College if it is not subsidized by the government? Look at the attack of this government on the teachers. The teachers who were getting a salary when they were going to teachers' college. What happened to it? Now you are increasing the tuition fees. I can tell you, I had to find money to help a number of students.
Joseph says the number of students who qualified to attend a tertiary level institution does not reflect the number of students who were actually enrolled at the college. He says all the fee hikes have affected mainly young people. The UWP has scheduled a public meeting on the 17th in Kako, Bemoans, where the rising cost of education and other issues are up for discussion.